In this video, I'll show you how to fix your HP Envy printer in case it's printing blank pages with nothing. Sometimes it prints just half of it, but mostly just it's blank. It's not what you expected. So it's very easy. You'll have to go on the HP Smart app on your computer or on your phone, the one that is connected with your HP printer, of course. So what you'll need to do is on the top of the app, you always see the printer itself. HP Envy 6400 series, this is mine. I'll just tap on it. Then from here, you're gonna go down until you see Print Quality Tools. Tap on it. Tap OK. Tap Advance, this. Tap Proceed. From here, we'll have multiple options. I suggest that we do a clean printhead. So we're gonna tap on clean over here. You just have to wait. Now you just have to wait because something will get printed. Okay, so you're gonna take a look at this paper, and if everything printed just like in this case, if everything is perfect, like they say here, if the line below are crooked, align printer. So if everything is looking pretty, you're done. But if you see an error, you're gonna click on Level 2 Cleaning. And this will clean the print heads even better than before. So again, you just have to wait. Okay, now it says that the device is printing a diagnostic page, so the cleaning has been done. Okay, and hopefully this time you'll see a real change. If you see that it's still not perfect, okay, let's say that it's getting better but still not the way you want, press done. You're just gonna have to start again this process. So press the clean button here under clean printhead and restart the process, and you can continue like this till everything looks clear and normal. If you notice that there are some smears on the papers, then you can click here on where it says clear smear. Otherwise, this is how you fix your HP Envy printer that prints blank pages. Another trick, if nothing works, simply unplug the printer from the wall socket during 5 minutes, wait, and plug it back. This too can help solve certain problems like this one. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, type a comment down below, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in the next video.